For a second day, public health staff have been scouring the manoir Notre-Dame for COVID-19. The sudden appearance of the virus at this special care home, still a mystery.
This is an outbreak in a high vulnerability setting where there is a risk of transmission to the community, so we're looking at that as well.
17 new infections confirmed today. That's the highest one-day count in New Brunswick since the pandemic began. A number made shocking only by the province's success so far at keeping the virus at bay.
This is definitely a wake-up call, one that we certainly didn't want to see, but one we were very concerned might happen.
Among those testing positive, 13 residents of the home, along with 4 workers and 2 family members, leaving those with loved ones at the manoir, including the leader of the province's opposition, on tenterhooks.
I haven't spoken to my aunt, but she does live there in the manoir Notre-Dame. She's been there for many years. We're hoping the best.
Authorities are also warning about possible exposures at 2 local businesses, the optical center at Moncton's Costco and a Saint-Hubert restaurant, where one employee has already tested positive, raising concerns that the Atlantic bubble may have been breached.
If there becomes a situation where there are cases in that area where the community spread, so where there's an unknown source for the infection, that's what community spread means. If that happens, then things have to change much more.
For now, the most important task is finding the source of this outbreak and containing it, a job complicated by family gatherings for the Thanksgiving weekend.
We cannot take chances. We understand that you want to spend your Thanksgiving surrounded by loved ones, but please, keep your gatherings small.
And there may be other demands. Tomorrow, the Premier meets with his Cabinet COVID Committee, including the leaders of the opposition. On the agenda, whether to make the wearing of masks mandatory in New Brunswick. Harry Forrestel, CBC News, Fredericton.